Hello and welcome to a session from Learn Digital Academy. This one is going to be on Facebook, and in this session, we learn about Facebook, the pages that it has, the advertisements that we can make over here, how to target the right audience. This very session is going to be about pages. So, what kind of roles do pages actually play on Facebook? Why is it that somebody takes the pain to create a meme and entertain all of us? So right now we have a page in front of us, Sarcasm, which was the highest liked page in India till February 2020 after the outbreak of COVID-19. The page has moved down to almost the seventh rank and overtaken by a lot of Chinese media channels, CGTN and China Daily, and many followed by them. Anyway, so this is a page which often talks about entertainment, and similarly we have different kinds of pages. You can have a page for yourself, for your company, any particular product that you want to endorse, or if you have a product which you want to speak about, let people know about. Now let us see this. This is an advertisement of Live Pure. They have a dedicated page only for this particular product also. They don't have much but only one single product. So yes, it is possible to have pages for different people also at the very same time. In Facebook we can have generally 5,000 friends. Above than 5,000 people can only follow us. Now once if you have crossed that part, then what do you do next? Just keep on gaining followers, right? What is the difference between a profile and a page then? You see, in a profile we can have friends. In a page we do not have friends. In a page we have followers. People like the page and they automatically tend to follow it.